Click the Office app, and then you'll find yourself in the app, and then you have to go to Apps, and in Apps you find Forms. Click it, and then New Form. Now you can create your own unique form in MS Forms. Go to Send and copy the URL. And now go to PowerPoint. Change the layout to blank and go to Insert, Add-ins, Get Add-ins, and from the store, go to Forms and add it. Click Continue, and you'll have the add-in in PowerPoint. Now you have to adjust and settle this. And now paste the URL. And now you can see that you have your form in PowerPoint. Scroll it down a bit and preview it. It takes some time, but finally you get it, and then you can fill your form in PowerPoint. This is much useful for teachers and educators.